Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after the high of 2685, we got to see some correction. Many of us thought that maybe this is the sign or indication of a trend reversal. But as there was no backing of the fundamentals, so we got to see some immediate recovery as well. And now we can see some silence on the chart of gold. Maybe gold is waiting for tomorrow's NFP. And technically we can see that we have a symmetrical triangle pattern on the chart right now. Symmetrical triangle pattern is a bilateral pattern. For example, ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. Means whenever you spot or identify an ascending triangle pattern, there is a possibility of a breakout. When you identify a descending triangle pattern, there is a possibility of a downside. Okay, but when we identify a symmetrical triangle pattern, there is no guarantee about the direction, but yes, there will be a breakout. So my dear friends, please be careful right now. And but I believe that though we have an symmetrical triangle pattern, if a breakout comes also, okay, markets should stay within the range. Okay, I'm expecting a choppy market till tomorrow. Okay, we have discussed about the symmetrical triangle pattern because we can clearly see right now. Okay, but I personally believe that if a breakout comes also, um, still market will stay within the range. What is the range here? The range of gold 2685 to 2600, and this will be the range till NFP. This should be okay. During the US session, we have news coming out, so we can expect some spikes. Okay, there should not be a direction in the market. You can see we have initial jobless claims, PMI coming up, so obviously market will be volatile, and be careful because in this type of market situation where market is mostly waiting for a news, there is a high chance that you will be trapped. There is a high chance that you will feel that, oh my god, this is a breakout. Once you will enter, you will see some price rejection. Suddenly you will see a drop in the market. Maybe, okay, after taking a sell, you will see market coming up again. So please be careful while trading at the time of news. If you want to avoid, you can avoid, because personally I am not going to trade. Okay, but right now we can see that market is already trading in a very narrow range. So I think market will be out of the symmetrical triangle pattern by today itself. Okay, आज ही निकल जाना चाहिए यहाँ से. Okay, so if we see market going down, then we can look for a buy around 2634 area. Okay, yesterday, okay, our support around 264443 did pretty well. So today we can look for a buy around 2634 area, and second buy around 2627 to 2625. These are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy for the day. Okay, why we are looking for a buy for the day, my dear friends, we have discussed yesterday also. Okay, it's still the same here. We are simply using Fibonacci. You can see around 2634 2635 area we have Fibo 78.6% retracement level, and rest of the FIBO levels have already done the job. So 2634 2635 is the only level left right now. So yes, if market comes down, listen to me, if market comes down with, okay, with normal selling pressure, normal candles, then obviously we can expect a good bounce around 263435 area. But during the US session, if you see market coming down with big red candles, okay, obviously it's not gonna work because it's a normal FIBO level. Okay, you need to understand our role of volume also. Okay, and 2625 2627, we are expecting this area to provide support to the market because of previous price rejection. Okay, that's it. And on the chart of gold, we do not have any crucial support or very strong support right now. So okay, the levels that are in front of us, they should work in normal market condition only. And during the US session, if we see a big accident, if gold starts falling, okay, then the best level to go for buy is around 2603 to 2600. These are the levels on the chart of gold where I will be looking for buy. Personally, okay, I will mostly look for buy around 2603 2600 area, because at this moment this area seems to be the safest. But the problem is that 2600 is far away. We need a big fall. And chances of market coming down to this level before NFP is very less. So yes, if I go for if I get a chance around 2634, 2635 area, maybe I'll just go with a lot size of 0.2 or 0.25. That's it. I won't go for a big lot like 0.51, 1.22. And if you have any ongoing position right now, if you have any ongoing buy, you can continue. As already we have discussed, if you're a positional buyer, you can be on the buy position as long as gold is trading above 2600. Okay. And if you're stuck on a sell, okay, if you're stuck on a sell right now, still you can be on a position because this is a choppy market. You should get an exit, or at least your loss will be lower at one point where you can exit. Okay. And if you're looking for fresh position, then obviously we have discussed where we can look for a buy if market comes down. If market goes up, then it will be critical. Okay, really, really critical. Because see, symmetrical triangle pattern means breakout, but volume is very low right now. So in this situation of if a breakout comes also, okay, at least I am not buying because to be honest, I am also not a big fan of symmetrical triangle pattern. Okay, but still, if a breakout comes also, I am not buying buying around this area. If market breaks, okay, if market breaks 2474, okay, with volume, then we can look for a buy position. But before NFP, I don't know whether volume will come or not. US session will tell. Right now, I'm recording the video in the Asian session. Right now, we do not have volume. If things change, if volume comes during the US session, then you guys can look for a buy above 2674. But if you see that gold is crawling slowly, slowly going up with small, small candles, then obviously you should avoid. And if you are a daredevil kind of a trader, trader, scalper, okay, risky trader, if risk is your middle name, then also you can look for a sell around 2671, 2673. Very risky sell position. Okay, so personally, I will avoid taking position, okay, at 2674, 2671, whatever, okay, we have on the screen right now. I will not trade here. No, no, no. Okay, I will wait for NFP. If market comes down, then only I will look for a buy. Otherwise, um, for me, okay, I'm not convinced with this chart right now. Okay, things are not very clear. Okay, so obviously, we also need to think about our capital. We are traders. That doesn't mean that we need to trade each and every day. Okay, our sole aim is to survive in the market, okay, so that we can make a living out of it, isn't it? Consistency in the main thing. And if you really want to be consistent in the market, then you'll have to stop trading on these levels where the opportunities are not very reliable. That's why I always say, my dear friends, that we are traders, not gamblers. So in case of an upside, the role of 2673, okay, 267374 area will be quite crucial. Market may reverse as well as market may break the level and market may go higher. Okay, so volume will play a major role here, and right now we don't have volume, so let's not discuss about it. If volume comes during the US session, then we can look for a buy at breakup. Otherwise, there is a possibility that due to the choppy nature of the market right now, market may reverse and scalpers, risky sellers can go for a sell. Okay, that's it. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble. And if you are not convinced, if you're a beginner, okay, if you're a new trader, do not have much capital, then obviously this is not the ideal market to trade. Okay, if you can find opportunities around these areas like 2634, 2600, that's a different thing. But if you look for trading opportunities on these particular levels, then obviously, my dear friend, you are not doing a good thing. Okay, because you are compromising with your trading discipline. Okay, so please be careful. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.